Think a two-stroke V12 could ever work? Exposing the myth of the two-stroke V12. Sexy on paper, impossible in reality? Let me explain. Two-strokes are simple, until you scale them up. A V12 two-stroke needs scavenging air on every bank, or blowers on every bank. Add turbochargers and the packaging nightmares start. Sealing the crankcase? Forget it. You'd leak oil like a fireplace. Emissions would collapse. Fuel economy would collapse. Modern rules kill that idea. Cooling, balance. Lubrication gets exponentially harder with 12 cylinders firing twice as often. The result? Massive weight. Outrageous complexity and cost. A smogger's dream. So yeah, it sounds badass, but physics, regs, and wallet reality say never gonna happen.